Welcome to Westward Ho, a seaside village like no other, right here on the stunning coast of North Devon. This charming spot is famous not only for its long stretch of golden sandy beach, but also for its unique claim to fame as the only place in the UK with an exclamation mark in its name. Westward Ho grew in popularity during the Victorian era as a holiday destination, and today it still draws visitors looking for sea air, coastal walks, and a relaxed pace of life. The village is perfectly set against wide-open sands and a backdrop of rugged cliffs, the kind of scenery that makes you want to slow down and simply take it all in. On this walk, we'll take a gentle stroll along the seafront and enjoy those soothing sounds of the waves. Whether you know Westward Ho well or you're discovering it for the very first time, I hope this walking tour brings you a little taste of its charm and tranquility. So let's begin our walk and see what makes this coastal gem so special.
Yeah, and so to keep it so that you need it, and I think it's going to be. The idea of a snorkel is actually above the surface. Deeper down.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed the walk, remember to like and subscribe. For a heads up, be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure.